Woodworking is a rewarding craft that not only allows individuals to express their creativity, but also presents a viable opportunity for profit. As more people seek unique, handcrafted items for their homes, many woodworking projects and small furniture creations have become increasingly popular. Engaging in these projects at home can be a gateway to developing essential skills and exploring various techniques, all while contributing to the growing demand for sustainable, handmade goods. By effectively marketing your creations through social media and local markets, you can build a brand that resonates with customers who appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship behind each piece. Moreover, this journey can lead to job opportunities, whether through commissions, collaborations with local businesses, or establishing your own woodworking enterprise. As you navigate the world of woodworking, the combination of creativity, sustainability, and entrepreneurial spirit can transform your passion into a profitable venture, enriching both your life and the lives of those who cherish your work. Many woodworking projects provide an excellent entry point for beginners and seasoned artisans alike. These small-scale endeavors allow you to hone your skills while creating functional and decorative items. Engaging in mini woodworking can lead to lucrative opportunities as the demand for handcrafted products continues to rise. By starting with simple designs, you can gradually build your confidence and expertise, ultimately setting the stage for larger projects that could attract clients and boost your income. Once you have a collection of mini woodworking projects, effective marketing becomes crucial. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your creations, sharing high-quality images and engaging stories about your crafting process. A well-curated Instagram or Facebook page can attract followers and potential customers. Additionally, consider creating a website to serve as an online portfolio where you can highlight your work, share your inspiration, and even offer custom orders. This digital presence can be a powerful tool to connect with a wider audience and increase your sales potential. The intersection of mini woodworking and home decor presents a wealth of opportunities. As more people seek unique and personalized items for their living spaces, your handcrafted creations can stand out in the market. Focus on current interior design trends, such as minimalist aesthetics or rustic charm, to guide your project choices. By aligning your work with popular styles, you can attract buyers who appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship behind handmade items, ultimately enhancing your profit margins. Small woodworking projects can yield significant profits, especially if you strategically price your items. Consider the cost of materials, tools, and your time when setting prices. Handmade goods often command higher prices due to their uniqueness and quality. By creating a range of items at different price points, you can cater to a broader audience. Offering limited editions or seasonal pieces can create urgency and encourage customers to make a purchase, boosting your overall sales. Sustainability is vital in today's market, and as a woodworker, you can embrace eco-friendly practices. Sourcing reclaimed wood or using sustainably harvested materials not only reduces your environmental footprint, but also appeals to conscious consumers. Highlighting your commitment to sustainability in your marketing can attract like-minded customers who value ethical craftsmanship. By integrating sustainable practices into your woodworking, you set yourself apart in a competitive landscape while contributing positively to the environment. Woodworking can foster a sense of community, both locally and online. Consider hosting workshops or classes to share your skills with others. This not only provides an additional income stream, but also helps build connections with fellow crafting enthusiasts. By creating a space for collaboration and learning, you contribute to a supportive community where ideas and techniques can be exchanged. This network can lead to future collaborations and opportunities, enriching your woodworking journey. As you develop your skills, you may discover various job opportunities within the woodworking industry. Many artisans transition from hobbyists to professional woodworkers, creating custom pieces for clients or working with local businesses. Exploring avenues such as furniture restoration or creating bespoke items can expand your horizons. Networking with local businesses, interior designers, and other artisans can open doors to commissions and partnerships, enhancing your professional prospects. One of the most appealing aspects of woodworking is the ability to offer customized products. Many customers seek unique items that reflect their personal style or fit specific needs. By providing options for custom sizes, colors, or finishes, you enhance the value of your creations and attract a more diverse clientele. Personalization not only increases customer satisfaction, but can also justify a higher price point, boosting your profitability. Continuously exploring new woodworking techniques can enhance your skill set and keep your projects exciting. Experimenting with different finishes, joinery methods, or design styles can lead to innovative creations that capture the attention of potential buyers. You can take inspiration from online tutorials, workshops, or woodworking communities. This commitment to growth will not only improve your craftsmanship, but also enable you to offer fresh, unique products that stand out in the market. Creating seasonal projects can help maintain a steady flow of income throughout the year. By designing items tailored to specific holidays or seasons, you can tap into consumer trends and increase your sales. For example, crafting decorative pieces for holidays or outdoor furniture for the summer can attract buyers looking for seasonal decor. Marketing these items at the right time can create urgency, encouraging customers to purchase before the season ends. Online marketplaces provide an excellent platform for selling your woodworking projects. Websites like Etsy or Amazon Handmade allow artisans to reach a global audience without the overhead of a physical store. By creating appealing listings with high-quality photos and engaging descriptions, you can showcase your work effectively. Additionally, these platforms often have built-in marketing tools that can help elevate your visibility and attract potential buyers. The process of creating many woodworking projects can be immensely fulfilling. Crafting allows you to express your creativity, relieve stress, and develop a sense of accomplishment with each completed piece. This joy can be infectious, inspiring others to appreciate handmade goods and the artistry. Staying attuned to market demands is crucial for success in woodworking. Regularly researching trends and consumer preferences can inform your project choices and marketing strategies. By adapting your offerings to meet changing demands, you can remain relevant and competitive. It may involve diversifying your product line or experimenting with new materials and techniques. This flexibility can lead to increased sales and a loyal customer base. Developing a strong brand identity can significantly impact your woodworking business. Your brand should reflect your values, style, and the unique aspects of your craftsmanship. Consider creating a memorable logo, cohesive packaging, and a consistent aesthetic across all your marketing materials. A strong brand identity helps build trust and recognition among customers, making it easier for them to choose your products over competitors. Ultimately, woodworking is about celebrating the craft and the joy it brings. Each project is a reflection of your creativity and dedication. Embrace the journey, from the initial design to the final product. Share your successes and challenges with others, as this transparency can inspire fellow woodworkers and potential customers alike. By fostering a love for craftsmanship, you not only enhance your skills, but also contribute to a broader appreciation for handmade woodworking.